Hi dear students, welcome my YouTube channel Study 98 with Knowledge। सुपरटेट टीजीटी ईएलटी ग्रेड इंग्लिश टीचर के कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की बेहतर तैयारी के लिए स्टडी 98 विद नॉलेज के साथ जुड़े बेहतर तैयारी करें। जिन मित्रों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को एंड तक देखें। स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51। Which of the following not a 19th century melodrama? Option A, The Miller and His Men. Option B, Pygmalion. Option C, The Broken Sword. Option D, The Woodman's Hut. The right answer of this question is Pygmalion. Pygmalion is not a 19th century melodrama. It is play by George Bernard Shaw. George Bernard Shaw. It was first presented on stage on the public in 1930. 1930. So the right answer of this question is option B. Question number 52. Name the period of literature in which Wycherley, Congreve and Dryden developed a comedy of manners. Option A, Jacobean period. Option B, Neoclassical period. Option C, Romantic period. Option D, Restoration period. The right answer of this question is option D, Restoration period. The Restoration period of English literature in which Wycherley, Congreve and Dryden developed the comedy of manner. So the right answer of this question is option D. Question number 53. The 17th century English poets whose works were characterized by the use of conceits are option A, Renaissance poets, Victorian poets. Option C, modern poets. Option D, metaphysical poet. The right answer of this question is option D, metaphysical poets. Metaphysical poets. The term metaphysical poets was conceived by the critic Samuel Johnson of describe a loose group of 17th century English whose work was characterized by the inventive use of conceit. So the right answer of this question is option D. Question number 54. Who among the following was not a university wit? Option A, Robert Greene. Option B, Thomas Ness. Option C, Francis Bacon. Option D, George Peele. The right answer of this question is option C, Francis Bacon. The term university wits was given by George Sainsbury. George Sainsbury. The university wits are Christopher Marlowe, Robert Greene, Thomas Ness, John Lilly, Thomas Lodge and George Peele. Francis Bacon was not included in university wits. So the right answer of this question is option C. Question number 55. Choose the playwright who was killed in a brawl. Option A, Thomas Ness. Option B, Thomas Watson. Option C, Christopher Marlowe. Option D, Edward Moore. The right answer of this question is option C, Christopher Marlowe. Christopher Marlowe was an English playwright of Elizabethan period. He was the leader of University Wits. So the right answer of this question is option C. Question number 56. Henry James has described a story of wealthy, cultured Americans living in Europe. In which of the following novels? Option A, The Ambassador. Option B, The Portrait of Lady. Option C, The Golden Bowl. Option D, The Turn of Shrew. The right answer of this question is option C, Golden Bowl. The Golden Bowl is a novel by Henry James. Henry James, published in 1904. So the right answer of this question is option C. Question number 57. The word blithe in English poetry suggests which of the following meanings? Option A, pain. Option B, happiness. Option C, disappointment. Option D, valor. Blithe, प्रफुल्ल, प्रसन्न, आनंदित. पेन मीन्स दर्द, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट निराशा, और हैप्पीनेस मीन्स प्रसन्नता. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन सी. द वर्ड ब्लाइथ in English poetry suggest happiness. Wordsworth poem The to the Cuckoo, O blithe newcomer, makes the clear the meaning. So the right answer of this question option B. Question number 58. Name the writer who said Umnist is too feminist as purple is to lavender. Option A, Zora Neale Hurston. Option B, Toni Morrison. Option C, Maya Angelou. Option D, Alice Walker. The right answer of this question is option D, Alice Walker. Alice Walker said, Womanist is the feminist as a purple into lavender. Alice Walker is an American novelist, short story writer, poet, and social activist. So, the right answer of this question is option D. Question number 59. Who among the following was not an Elizabethan satirist? Option A, Thomas Lodge. Option B, John Marston. Option C, John Ruskin. Option D, George Gascoigne. The right answer of this question is option C, John Ruskin. John Ruskin was not an Elizabethan satirist. He was leading English art critic of Victorian era. So the right answer of this question is option C. Question number 60. Who among the following is not associated with the translation of the Bible? Option A, Miles Coverdale. Option B, William Tyndale. Option C, John Wycliffe. Option D, Thomas Brown. The right answer of this question is option D, Thomas Brown. Thomas Brown was an English polymath and learned scholar in various fields as science, medicine, religion. He was not associated with the translation of Bible. So the right answer of this question is option D. Question number 61. Which is the earliest English version printed with verse divisions? Option A, Tyndale's translation. Option B, the Geneva Bible. Option C, the Douay-Rheims version. Option D, King James version. The right answer of this question is option B, the Geneva Bible. Question number 62. The life of Samuel Johnson was penned by option A, Goldsmith. Option B, Boswell. Option C, Burke. Option D, Lord Chesterfield. The right answer of this question is option B, Boswell. The life of Samuel Johnson is written by James Boswell. The life of Samuel Johnson डॉक्टर सैमुअल जॉनसन की बायोग्राफी है, जिसे जेम्स बॉसवेल द्वारा 1791 में लिखा गया था। So the right answer of this question is option B. Question number 63. Who has been referred to as the high priest of Romanticism? Option A, Wordsworth. Option B, Keats. Option C, Blake. Option D, Coleridge. The right answer of this question is option D, Coleridge. E.S.T. Coleridge has been referred as the high priest of Romanticism. So the right answer of this question is option D, Coleridge. Question number 64. The age of Romanticism was option A, 1800 to 1850. Option B, 1770 to 1850. Option C, 1760 to 1820. Option D, 1771 to 1832. The right answer of this question is option A, 1800 to 1850. The age of Romanticism approximately dates from 1800 to 1850. So the right answer of this question is option A. Which of the following writers did not win the Nobel Prize for Literature? Option A, George Bernard Shaw. Option B, John Galsworthy. Option C, William Butler Yeats. Option D, James Joyce. The right answer of this question is option D, James Joyce. George Bernard Shaw got Nobel Prize in 1925, and John Galsworthy won Nobel Prize in 1932. William Butler Yeats in 1923. But James Joyce did not win a Nobel Prize. So the right answer of this question is option D. जिन मित्रों ने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक और कमेंट करें। धन्यवाद।